So I got a new Transformers toy at Walmart today, but before I show that, I want to show something that came in the mail after like 400 years of waiting, and that is Barricade, a childhood favorite of mine. This is the toy from the 2007 Transformers movie, and this is specifically from the 2007 toy line because in here, Barricade comes with Frenzy. And when this figure was reissued in 2009, it was reissued as Interrogator Barricade with the little things he uses to threaten Sam. So yeah, I'm just like really happy to finally have Barricade back in my collection after having this multiple times. But now let's get on to the main event of the video. That is Devastation Optimus Prime. So this is an Optimus Prime figure that is based off the video game Transformers Devastation. Now let's take a look at the packaging. We have some beautiful artwork of Optimus and in his truck mode. This is a 21 step changer toy. Optimus looking really nice. He's looking dapper as fuck. Transformers Studio Series, the Transformers Devastation logo, Devastation Optimus Prime. Side right there. On the back you have a screenshot from Transformers Devastation of Optimus Prime. It's looking very anime there. I really like it. The toy and the truck and all the other information down there. I noticed that Paramount Pictures is credited. I don't know if Paramount had involvement in the game or if they're just involved with most Studio Series stuff, but okay, that's something. And this toy does come with the Matrix of Leadership that you can put inside of Optimus. So that is great. So let's get him out of the box. So here is Devastation Optimus Prime. Well, I mean, he's not fully out, but yeah, after I get these things clipped off, we're gonna take a good look at him. So here is Devastation Optimus Prime. Obviously, he's using the very iconic Generation 1 design. And yeah, like, this robot mode just looks incredible, really. Like, there's some really good detail. Like, already a step up from Jazz. I can place something in Optimus's hand. That face, like, this just looks so awesome. And one of the coolest things is, gotta open this up from the bottom, you get the Matrix of Leadership. Now I gotta try to get the Matrix out. But yeah, very like accurate molding to what we see in Transformers 1 and the 86 movie. But yeah, that's just so cool to have. And like, yeah, this robot mode's awesome. Now let's get our Autobot leader into his iconic truck form. So here is Devastation Prime in vehicle mode. Honestly, not really the best truck form. Like, it does look a little like, I don't know, like in this area. I mean, like, even though this isn't really like the best representation of vehicle mode G1 Optimus, I still kind of like it. And like, I'm just really glad I get to have like an Optimus Prime toy that I could just move around. Because what I haven't shown you here on YouTube are these Transformers 1 Blockies figures. And one of them was the mystery figure Optimus Prime. From the end of the movie. And like, this is such a brilliant figure. I love it. You also have D16 with Cog, B127, and Hound. But yeah, like, I now have an Optimus that I can like transform and turn into a truck. It's it's just one I'm really happy to have. In the end, these are just some really great additions to my Transformers collection. Devastation Prime, Barricade, and these Blockies figures. Like, I've been trying to regrow it, and I think these are like some really great additions to have to my collection. And honestly, I really want to continue doing this because I love Transformers, even though I know that I'll be murdering my bank account.